All right, guys, next up, we got break number 3 of our Gold Rush Extravaganza baseball jersey. We're halfway through this case, 6-box case here, and a chance to pull some big names. You can see some of those jerseys that we can find there on the cover. So this is a random team break. Every spot gives you 3 of those random teams. So Jeff, you've got 4 spots in this. Danny G with 2. Daniel V has got 3 spots, and then Rick closed us out with the last one. So I've got another box of this that's on the website now if you guys want to fill that. If we fill it tonight, we'll break it tonight. All right, let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times. All right, guys, here we go. So, Daniel, you've got the Indians, the Cubs, the Pirates, the Royals, the Rays, Marlins, Cardinals, Blue Jays, and Padres. That's not a bad list of teams there. Danny, you've got the Orioles, the Astros, the Giants, the Phillies, the Rangers, and the Reds. Jeff, you've got the Twins, Tigers, Braves, Rockies, White Sox, Dodgers, Brewers, Yankees, Red Sox, Mariners, Nationals, and A's. And then, Rick, you've got the Diamondbacks, the Angels, and the Mets. Danny, yeah, as soon as this breaks down, I'll let you know what I've got left. If you're talking about the eBay jersey teams. All right, guys, good luck. Ooh, I like. Huh? Oh, man. Come on now. How about a Wander Franco out of here? We'll take that. Let's go. JSA authenticated. The 4 threw me off. I know he switched to 5 now. That's Wander's auto right there. It is JSA authenticated. Who's got Tampa Bay? Daniel. Nice hit, dude. Nice hit on the Wander Franco. That's awesome. All right, so we'll get that jersey in the mail tomorrow. It's a sweet hit. Appreciate you guys joining us. We'll do another box of this. It's on the website now, so if you want to fill that up, tennskinbreaks.com and click on Random Breaks.